What if I told you that over $100 million has already been paid out by FTMO in 2024 alone? That's right. While most people are focused on trying to become funded traders, there is a much smarter way to capture a share of this growing opportunity. In today's video, I'm going to reveal how I'm planning to capture 1% of all FTMO's total payouts by managing over $12 million in funded accounts. But there's the part that you should know. We are only looking for few investors, like 10 to partner with. Each investor puts up 1.2 million in prop firms in order to reach about 10K per month passive income net in investor pockets. No guessing, no fluff. I'm going to show you the math, the strategy, and how you can be part of it. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll see why this opportunity might be one of the most unique wealth building plays you've seen in 2025. I'm Roman Kaider. You might know me from Upwork. I have a profile on the Upwork platform that is above $60,000. You can check yourself on Upwork looking at Roman Kaider, or if you want, you can also check several videos on YouTube where I display my Upwork account. So you can see here the total earnings of $60,000. That's about my Upwork profile. Today, we are diving in mostly into FTMO's incredible growth story and how I, with my company XO Capital, have a strategy in place to become a key player in this space. If you're not familiar with FTMO, you're going to want to pay close attention because this firm has been paying out millions of dollars to independent traders around the world. But instead of focusing on being the trader, we'll focus more on managing trading capital at scale on our side. Our mission at XO Capital is clear. We aim to manage $12 million in FTMO challenges and funded accounts. Right now, we've got about plus $2 million under challenges and funded accounts on management within the company. But here's where it gets interesting. We will want to work on the long term with only 10 investors, with each investor having a 1.2 million portfolio. We can reach our target. To give you an idea, a 1.2 million portfolio can yield about $10,000 per month net in the investor pocket. So now let me show with you directly from FTMO website their payout. They have a section where you can basically see the payouts they are offering. So this is straight from FTMO's official site, and you can read we have paid millions in payouts to our FTMO traders. And what will be interesting is mostly the last section of this page. If you check at the bottom of this section, you'll see the total payouts that have been processed in 2023 is $75 million. So the point of this video is that with a 30% growing forecast, which is mostly what they're about to do in 2024, if not more, we'll see over $100 million payouts in 2024 from FTMO, meaning that if you add 30% to 75, you get about, if you do 30% of 75 million, we can do this together, but it would be roughly around 100 million, a bit below that. So if you add 30%, you're at 97.5. So they would have to be at, I would say, 35% growth to reach a bit below to reach this target of 100 million payouts, which is almost sure they'll get to this point at this stage. So yeah, that now most people that see this and think, how do I become a trader and get funded myself? But that's not what we're doing at Exo Capital. Instead of being the trader, we're the manager. We work with the investors and manage larger pool of capital so that we capture a percentage of these total payouts, being 100 million in 2024. If on our side, our target is 1 million, which is the case, 1 million revenues per year. That's Exo Capital target. By capturing 1% of total FTMO payout, we can reach our target. So let's get into Exo Capital mission and exactly what we're doing. Speaking about it, like I've mentioned, our objective is simple: manage 12 million in FTMO challenges and funded accounts. We've already got plus 2 million under management at the moment, and we are scaling fast, about to reach 3 million by the end of December. We should reach 4 million by the end of January, and we want to reach the 10 million mark by June 2025, if not before. So each investor on our best case scenario would have a 1.2 million funded account portfolio, like we've mentioned, and in exchange, they receive a share of the trading profits. We work on a 50-50 profit split basis. And here's the breakdown roughly to give you the key elements. If we have investor portfolio that is 1.2 million in prop firm accounts, the annual profit before splitting together should be about $240,000. Splitting 50-50 between the investor and Exo Capital, we get about $120,000 per year with a 1.2 million portfolio, which means $10,000 per month. So if you're one of our 10 investors, your share is $10,000 per month in profit. And for us, we earn the same $10,000 per month as well. It's a win-win, which is very interesting because, as you might know, in the prop firm industry, most companies, if not all of them, are not aligned with you in the sense that they make money when you lose your challenge and they lose money when you request a payout. On our side, we are trying to align you with the prop firm, firms through ourselves, Exo Capital, in the sense that we are aligned with you. We make money when you make money. Thanks to this, on the long term, we can exploit the prop firm opportunity. So how do we go now from 2 million to 12 million? Because I've said we are managing 12 million, 2 million at the moment, a bit more, and we will want to reach 10 million. It comes down to 3 growth strategies. A, we want to focus on 10 larger investors. We avoid managing thousands of small accounts, and starting from now, we'll only start with 200K or 400K portfolio. We'll not do 100K accounts anymore. B, we want to optimize performance. Our approach to risk management and capital efficiency ensures we stay profitable on the long term, especially our hedging strategy, which is the core of our strategy. And finally, building our network. That would be the third point. Our partnerships with traders themselves that give us access to trading talent and capital. With 12 million portfolio under management, we can have a pool of 12 traders managing 1 million each, which is quite interesting on our side to have a certain rotation and have the best strategies within the company. So if you're watching this and you have the ability to work with us, here's what it means for you. Passive income, you're looking at $10,000 per month in profits. So it's not becoming a millionaire tomorrow, but it's still real money. You have a predictable growth. Our structure is designed for the long term with stable returns. We work with the top 1 company in the industry, FTMO, and our hedging strategy offsets the financial risk, which only puts us in face of the time risk, which is lowering our global risk in a sense that we have a very low down risk scenario perspective. We can technically not lose money. We can make a bit less than the forecast, but by hedging our trades, this is how we offset the financial risk in the trading strategy, which we find in most speculative robots, hedging in most robots or other standard speculative strategies that you would use without hedging. Thanks to our setup, we can now exploit prop firms without losing on the long term. So that would be mostly everything. If this sounds like the opportunity for you, here's your next step. You click the link in the description. You schedule a call with me to check your eligibility to our program. You should know it's about it's a 5 digits number to start with us and get this rolling with something interesting that could lead you to the 1.2 million portfolio within 6 months or 12 months if you start with a 200K account, for example. In 12 months, by compounding your first profits, you can build this 1.2 million portfolio. So do not hesitate. Click the link in the description. Schedule a call with us to check your eligibility. I should say with me. You speak directly with me. We'll only work with 10 investors. And here's what's at stake: $10,000 per month after the 50-50 profit splits, and access to the top one prop firm. Even if you're from the USA, you will be able to work with us. More than 50% our investors are from the USA. If you're serious about building wealth in 2025, this is your chance to do it. We should speak again in the next video.